Good morning, class. I am Nikhilesh Mishra, your computer teacher. Students, in the previous video, we discussed about the virus. What is virus? What is malware? How the virus infect your system? How they work? And the types of viruses. Students, after that, the next topic is your precautions, prevention and protection. स्टूडेंट्स, प्रिकॉशन, प्रिवेंटेशन एंड प्रोटेक्शन या यूँ कह लीजिए कि मेंटेनेंस टिप्स जिसके थ्रू आप सिस्टम को अपने प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. कुछ ऐसी टेक्निक्स हैं या कुछ ऐसे टिप्स हैं जिसके थ्रू आप सिस्टम को अपने प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं वायरस के अटैक से. सो स्टूडेंट्स, as we know that malware encrypts malicious software or program developed by cyber attackers with an intentions to cause damage to your computer or disturb the normal working of the computer. And the market of malware is expanded, which can cause unpleasant effect to your computer. So कुछ डैमेजेस हमें होते हैं मालवेयर से कि they are slow down our computer system, damage files, display advertisements, compromise security settings, inaccessibility. So for this we have prevention tips like always keep your operating system and program up to date, install an antivirus and anti-spyware program that automatically scans for virus when the system boots. Students, up to date your virus spyware daily to ensure your system is protected against the latest threats. Students, you also do not download any files from the internet unless you are certain the source is not transmitting a virus to you or that the virus do not use any storage media that has been issued in another computer unless you are certain the other computer is free of virus and when not pass the virus on to your system. And students, never open email attachment from people you don't know and don't open any file attachment that end in extension like .exe because if you open all the downloaded files should be scanned by your antivirus application before you run or install it. So these are the tips which you use to protect our system. Next is your different form of virus attacks. As we know that malware, which is malicious software, जिसके ज़रिए ये एक मैलिशियस सॉफ्टवेयर जिसके ज़रिए जो कि आपके सिस्टम्स में आकर के डेटा चोरी कर सकता है, बाईपास एक्सेस कंट्रोल कर सकता है और होस्ट कंप्यूटर तक को ये ख़राब कर सकता है. तो यहाँ पे हम इसके कुछ डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. फर्स्ट इज़ योर ट्रोजन्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, ट्रोजन क्या है? ट्रोजन इन अ कंप्यूटर टर्म्स, Trojan or simply Trojan is a malware that looks legitimate and useful but is actually designed to harm your computer. They could be distinguished as links that increase your curiosity, extra field in the web form or interface of a program that you use. Students, when computer users click on them, the Trojan install on their computer system, and Trojans are the viruses that do not replicate on your systems. These are some of the things that they can do is that they delete your system file, steal sensitive informations like password, credit card numbers, etc. stored on your computer, and they open backdoor for entry of other malicious program या malware programs. Students, the examples of the Trojan horse are Jesus, Backdoor, Exploit and Rocket. These are the example of your Trojan horse. Next is your worm. So students, worms is the standalone program that replicate itself and spread via computer network. It does not need human activities like starting a program or a function. It is self-sufficient to start functioning on a computer or network. Computer worms do not infect the file and software on the computer directly. Students, they use high amount of memory and or network bandwidth, slowing down the computer and making internet access extremely slow. When computer worms enter a system or network, they look for opportunities to do their work. Usually, they access address book on the system and forward without the users knowing about it, or sending email. Means they steal your data. And the some examples of the worms are W32, Pack Generic, Mycelia, Code Red. These are the examples of worms. After that, students, is your spyware. Spyware क्या होता है? Spyware, as we know that the name suggested, spyware are the program designed to secretly gathered informations about the users. Means they gather your informations from your computer and share it with other people. Spyware is installed without users' consent. When he or she download a file from internet or click on any link or pop-up window while browsing. Like Trojans, spyware does not replicate itself, but these are the way in which it can harm. जैसे कि take a lots of spaces on the hard disk, making the system very slow, steal sensitive information from your computer system, monitor your online behavior, and passes on the data to advertisement and other interested parties. So these are the works that spyware do. एंड अगर हम बात करें इसके एग्जांपल्स की, तो कूल वेब सर्च, मूवी लैंड, जेंगो, जोलोब आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ स्प्रेवेयर. आफ्टर दैट, एंटीवायरस मीन्स अगर इसको हम बात करें एंटीवायरस की, तो वायरस से लड़ने के लिए या वायरस से बचाने के लिए सिस्टम को जो एक प्रोग्राम है वो है एंटीवायरस. सो स्टूडेंट्स, एंटीवायरस क्या होता है? दीज आर द सॉफ्टवेयर विच इज़ यूज टू प्रिवेंट, डिटेक्ट एंड रिमूव मालवेयर इंक्लूडिंग कंप्यूटर वायरसेस. जैसे कि वॉर्म्स, अभी हमने पढ़ा वॉर्म्स, ट्रोजन हॉर्स, है ना. सच प्रोग्राम्स में ऑल्सो प्रिवेंट एंड रिमूव एडवेयर, स्पेवेयर एंड अदर फॉर्म ऑफ malware. Students, antivirus is a software utility that searches a hard disk for viruses and remove any that are found. Most antivirus program including an auto update feature that enables the program to download profile of a new viruses so that it can check for the new virus as soon as they are discovered. So students, these programs scan the code of every file on your computer for trace of virus and spyware, and if the virus is found, the file is quarantined until the code can be removed or the file is deleted. Means अगर आपके सिस्टम में कोई इस तरीके का वायरस का प्रोग्राम मिला तो उसको क्या करेगा? क्वारंटाइन करेगा तब तक के लिए, जब तक के लिए कि आपका वो जो कोड है वो आपके सिस्टम से डिलीट नहीं हो जाता. देन स्टूडेंट्स, ये है आपकी बात एंटीवायरसेस की. एंड देयर आर मैनी कंपनीज, दे मेक एंटीवायरस प्रोग्राम्स like नॉर्दर्न सिक्योरिटी, क्विक हील, MCFE, एवास्ट और AVG। दीज आर द कंपनीज। सो स्टूडेंट्स, ये आपको पता चल गया कि एंटीवायरस प्रोग्राम्स का यूज़ करके आप सिस्टम को क्या कर सकते हैं, वॉर्म्स, वायरसेस, स्प्रेवेयर, इन सब से आप छुटकारा पा सकते हैं। एंड ऑल्सो एंटी मालवेयर, इसको हम एंटी मालवेयर भी कहते हैं। सॉफ्टवेयर डिटेक्ट्स द एंड रिमूव्स मालवेयर इन्फेक्शंस एंड कीप द सिस्टम वायरस फ्री। द एंटीवायरस malware packages are available as antivirus packages। बहुत सारे हैं मार्केट में। सो स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे आपका चैप्टर 3 ख़त्म है। अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।